Alright guys, so if you want to pair your existing or any old Apple Watch with your new iPhone Air, this video will show you exactly how to reconnect it smoothly even without losing any data. Alright, so for that, first you're going to make sure your old iPhone and the new Air is logged in with the same Apple ID if you want to recover the data. So first of all, if you want, you can unpair the watch from the watch app. But for some reason, if the old iPhone is not with you, you can reset it from the watch itself. So we assume that your old iPhone is currently not with us. So if you want to do it from the watch, just grab your old Apple Watch, open Settings, scroll down to General, scroll till the end to reset. This will set an activation lock on your Apple Watch. If you know the Apple ID and password, just tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Another warning that this will delete all data from your watch, but there is a way to recover everything, so don't worry about it. Scroll down and hit Erase All. Now this might take a while to complete the whole erase process. When the reset process is done, your Apple Watch will restart into setup mode. Just grab your Air, make sure it's near to the Apple Watch. You might get a pairing pop-up. Well, if you don't get it, don't worry, just open up the watch app and then just hit Start Pairing. And then select Setup for Myself. You can scan the QR code in here or just do this process manually, whatever is comfortable to you. And when the scanning is completed, just tap on Setup Apple Watch. And then just follow some prompts. And during the setup process, you will get this prompt. Just hit Restore from Backup and then select your backup watch data. There might be multiple from different backup data at different times. And then just hit Continue. And then just go ahead, follow all the prompts on your screen one after another and just complete the whole setup process. And that's it. Your old existing Apple Watch is now paired and connected to your iPhone Air without any data loss. Thanks for watching.